Hey guys, this is Lloyd from DTW Life and 𝘱𝘰𝘷𝘦𝘳𝘀𝘢𝑟𝑙𝑎𝑛𝑑𝑖𝑛G. If this is your first time here, thanks for joining us. If you've been here before, we're glad to have you back. Today we are going to be installing some LED headlight bulbs on our 2019 Tiffin Allegro Red. So hang out and see how we did it. Alright, so I wanted to start off by just explaining a little bit about why we decided to do this LED upgrade. This is our low beam incandescent bulb that's in right now, and not a whole lot of light output, so we're hoping with the upgrade to LED we'll be able to see better at night, be safer on the road, and just all kinds of good stuff. So these are the bulbs we're using. These are from NAOEVO on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. These are a direct plug-and-play bulb. There's no extra wiring or any adapters or anything like that have to be added. So these will plug right into our existing sockets, use our existing harness, and they will, hopefully the only difference will be they'll be quite a bit brighter than what we have in there now. So let's check out how easy these are to install, and then we'll see how much brighter they are. Okay, so here we are at the headlight housing. We've got two bulbs here, high beam, low beam. Low beam bulb is a little bit back around the corner here. You probably can't see it very well on the video, but they're similar. They both are a twist and pop out kind of socket. So there's one bulb, and then our other one is back here. It's a little bit farther. Let's try the other arm. Okay, so there's that one. So that's our low beam bulb. Okay, so now that we have these both pulled out, we can just release them from their socket. There we go. Then we can come in here and get the replacement LED bulb, plug it into our socket, and then reinstall it. And there we have one. We can go back here and grab our low beam bulb. It works the same way, just a little bit different kind of clip. And then we can get our low beam replacement bulb. Snap it back in there, make sure it's secure. And then twist it into its socket. And that's it. Now we can test them. Alright, so here's our newly installed LED. This is the low beam, and quite a bit brighter than it was before. I'm going to run inside real quick and flip on the high beams, and we'll check that. And as you can see, our high beam bulb is also very bright. So we're hoping this is a great upgrade. We're going to let it get dark, and we'll shoot a little video of these lights after dark. So that's a wrap from the great state of Texas today, the very humid state of Texas. Simple install, a great upgrade. The humidity here in Texas right now made it a little more challenging, but maybe I'll get a few more calories to eat out of my extra sweating today. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember, as always, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Remember, get out there and explore, and always leave it better than you found it. Happy trails, and we'll see you next time.